Good morning. And today we are going to be doing multiplication patterns. Well, I'm going to call it powers of 10. The lesson in the book is called multiplication patterns, and it's page 99 in your math book. So powers of 10. So powers of 10 include numbers like 10, 100, 1000, etc. And they can be written using exponents or an exponential form. So we could call 10 in exponential form 10 to the first. 100 would be 10 squared. And 1000 would be 10 cubed or 10 to the third power. So we can write those, that's why they're called powers of 10. So in your book, they give you a table that is showing you the exact pattern. So it's showing you that 2 times 1 equals 2. And there are no zeros in that answer, and there are no zeros in with my 1. When I do 2 times 10, now we have a power of 10 here with a 0, and my answer would be 20. And you can see that my 10 has 1 0, my product has 1 0. If I did 2 times 100, now my factors have, because it's a power of 10, my factor has 2 zeros, my product will have 2 zeros. And this pattern would continue. And this is true anytime I am multiplying with a power of 10. So every time my power of 10 adds a 0, then my product will add a 0. So this is a power of 10 with 1 0, my product has 1 0. Power of 10 with 2 zeros, my product has 2 zeros. On the next page in your math book, it's showing you how to do powers of 10 with an exponent or with other powers of 10. So the example they give you is 13 times 10 squared. And I look at this as they want to show you 10 squared is the same as 100. So really this is 13 times 100. And I would do 13 times 1 is 13. And then I would have 2 zeros because we know that our product will have 2 zeros because our factors had 2 zeros. But I don't have to rewrite it like this. I could do 13 times 10 squared in a little faster manner. If I did 13 times the 1, I know that's 13, and then this exponent will tell me how many zeros need to be in my product. So if my exponent is a 2, my product will have 2. And this is true for powers of 10. This is not true for every number that has an exponent. This is only for powers of 10. So if I had another one that might say, let's say 7 times 10 to the 4th power, I would then do 7 times 1 is 7, and my exponent here would tell me how many zeros to put in here. They may also ask you in reverse or ask you something like, they could tell you 7 times, well, let's do it this way, 7 times 10 to the blank power equals 700, and you would have to go, okay, well, there's 2 zeros for my power of 10, so my exponent's going to be a 2. So sometimes you're going to have to work backwards to solve this. And I think, and that's it for this lesson. I hope that has helped you out.